Hi, my name is Christopher. I'm just going to show you in this video how to withdraw your money from Coinbase to your local bank, in this case a UK domiciled bank such as Barclays Bank or HSBC or NatWest. So as you can see, I'm in this account. This is my Coinbase account, and if I click on accounts, it gives me the wallets. So there's all these wallets: the Vault US Dollars wallet, XRX, Litecoin, all these wallets. Yeah, but I'm more interested in the Bitcoin wallet. As you can see, there's a balance of 727 pounds worth of bitcoins, which is 0.1469 BTC. And so in order for me to get this money, this bitcoin, into my Barclays Bank, I need to convert this either to euro or GBP. But the good thing is that Coinbase now is able to transfer British pounds straight. So what I'm going to do is to basically sell my bitcoins and receive money in British pounds within Coinbase account. And once I receive this bitcoin into this wallet, which is a GBP wallet, then from here there is this button here which says withdraw. So then I will hit this withdraw button, and it will ask me, for example, if I click on it, it gives me details of my bank account, and this is my UK bank account. You can see my sort code here and my account number here. Now, before you get here, you need to set up your UK bank, link it with Coinbase. And the way you do that is the first time you try to withdraw, it will give you a prompt. And in that prompt, Coinbase will generate a code and an account number to which you will be required to send £2. And once that £2 hit that particular account, which is basically a Coinbase account, then they will know that that money came from your account using the reference that they're going to generate and give to you. And once that hits the account, that is the verification process completed. And once that is done, then you will be able now to transfer your money. Okay, so okay, so just close that here which says buy and sell. Alright, so I've got these bitcoins in here in my BTC wallet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell this so that I convert them into pounds, and then from pounds, my GBP wallet, I can transfer to my bank account. So the way I do that is come to here where it says buy and sell, click on that, and then come to sell, click on that, and then I have this balance now sitting in my BTC wallet. So this is what I want to sell. Okay, so it's sell Bitcoin instantly. Okay, I click on it, and I'm going to write here how much I want to sell. It says sell maximum. If I click on that, that will sell everything, which is 0.146, 0.147, and that is the price at which it is going to sell. All right. And so as you can see, Coinbase is going to charge £10. So if you click on sell, okay, it says you are selling so much bitcoins, and deposit to GBP wallet, and that will be instant. Okay, so confirm sale. Alright, so your sale was successful. 71.60 will be deposited to GBP, and a message has come up on my phone here, which says your sale for 727.13 GBP of BTC has been started. It's on my phone there, confirmation. Alright, and so basically that's it. So if I just go back to the accounts and see what's happening now, how my accounts are looking. You can see that the money has already arrived in my British pound wallet. The 726 is there. So since this money has now come here, I can now click on this withdraw button. So click on withdraw, and it's giving me the bank account to which the money is coming. And what I have to do is to just click in the amount box and then click on withdraw, or if I want to withdraw everything, okay, and 726.04 and continue. All right. So it's asking me, it's telling me you are about to withdraw 726.04 from GBP wallet with a bank fee of £1. Your funds will arrive by Sunday, 11th of November 2018. And by the way, today is the 8th. So it's talking about 3 days. But last time I did this, it took less than 10 hours. It was completed within like 5-6 hours. So we'll see. So if I click confirm, alright, so it says GBP withdrawal finished, done. And again, a message has come to confirm the transfer. It says Coinbase makes digital currency easy. A withdrawal of 725.04 has been started on November 7. You know, blah blah blah. It's there on my phone. You can see it. Yeah. So basically that's that. So click on done, and as you can see now, if we just refresh this, the accounts, you can see my GBP wallet is now 0. There is nothing there. Everything has moved out in transit, coming to my bank. Okay. So basically that is how you are able to withdraw money from your Coinbase, whether it is Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, whatever. The process is simple. What you have to do is, first of all, you have to sell the cryptocurrency so that you change it into fiat. And so we have the GBP wallet and the Euro wallet. So once you convert your money into euros or British sterling pounds, then you can now, that will activate this button for withdrawal. Then you click on this button, and then it will give you a pop-up where you choose the bank that you're going to transfer money to. And so that is the procedure. Okay, that's the procedure. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit on the like button also, and the bell, so that every time I upload a video you can receive a notification and be able to see what I'm sharing. And I'll be sharing some of these nuggets so that you also know, just in case you need this kind of information. Thank you very much for watching today, and have a good time.